My name is Linda Zalo. I am the principal of Friends School Tigoi in the western part of Kenya, particularly Vihiga County. I have had time to look at the changes witnessed from students who are sponsored by SES. One of the things I recognize and I do appreciate is the fact that the students never get to go home in search of fees. So they are able to attend their lessons 100%. And by extension, their performance has improved greatly. Secondly, the fact that they are reassured and they are assured that their fees will be paid has changed their attitudes, and you realize that their personality has greatly improved. Some of them who would hardly speak freely and would behave really like introverts have come out openly, and they're able to participate in not just academic work, but also out of class activities. And that to me is a plus, because it means they can very comfortably fit in the society outside there after school and even during school. And they can be able to mix with other students freely. And by mixing with other students freely and even other students from other schools, it helps them in more learning. Another thing I've noticed is that the attitude, not just the personality, the attitude has changed in knowing that someone somewhere has sacrificed to support them. Most of them have indicated that on the conclusion of the academic and training, they should be able to return to society so that another youth or another youngster can benefit from their support the same way they are supported. And not just the students, I've also realized that the families have been impacted very positively. That is the families from which they come, in a manner that they also ought to do something. I talk to them and I tell them, look here, somebody somewhere is missing a meal, just to ensure that the child is in school. What do you think you can do on your part? And a lot of them have been able to say, okay, even I would actually sacrifice this to be able to meet other projects in school, or even be able to improve the well-being of a neighbor's child. And I think it has impacted very positively, not just to the child, but to the surrounding community and other people who know about the existence of SES.